Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the paper and palette so your first strokes work. Wet the area lightly if you want soft edges, otherwise paint on dry for crisp lines. Mix a small wash of color and test value on scrap paper to control intensity. Use a round brush for initial strokes because it holds both point and wash. Once you see the tone you like, lay in the lightest midtones first to build form without overworking the paper. Once your base washes are down, build layers to create depth. You add darker values gradually so pigments don't become muddy. That's why you work light to dark. Make thin washes, about 3 parts water to 1 part paint, to keep transparency and allow each layer to dry to avoid lifting underlying paint. Use a smaller brush for edges and texture and lift gently with a damp brush to correct mistakes. Make sure transitions read smooth. To finish, concentrate pigment on the darkest accents to increase contrast and sharpen important edges so the composition reads from a distance. Add final glazes selectively to unify color temperature. Warm or cool glazes change mood quickly, so test first. If a section goes too dark, don't panic. Lift color by scrubbing gently with a damp round brush and blotting with tissue, or re-wet and absorb. Make sure the paper stays intact by avoiding repeated heavy abrasion. Then let everything dry flat before signing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.